I'm sorry, there's not music, a video in the background. So there we go. If you haven't seen this Mirror Mirror, which you probably have, for which of the people that actually watch my videos, which is Mom, so she's seen that, so well, you have, Mom, so you're the only person that's seen my videos. So I'm going to film my cat. My cat likes to growl at me for some reason. My kitty. Where are you, kitty? Kitty. Kitty. Ugh. God, Bosley. Look at my dog right now. Oh my god. She can be so stupid sometimes. It's so weird. Oh, and my painted box. Pretty much just chipped over it, but do you want to see it? Of course you do. Here, let me do this. It's a box, it's a box, it's a box. I painted it with this. It's a box, it's a box. Okay. And pretty much that's what's in there. A little fire. No, I can't touch my tablet with that hand. Oh god, no. I can't see you later yet because I'm trying to make 2 minute or 3 minute, which is probably gonna be 2 minutes. I need to go wash my hands. Dark. It's very dark. Nope. I'm sorry for the bad lighting right now. Better, but I need this one. Okay. Better. Okay, that's my cleanup sound. There, much better. Sorry. I don't know what just came out of my mouth, but, oh god, and my cousin's underwear on the ground. Oh god. Oh god. I don't know what to do. I think I found you. I think I found you, my mommy. I think I found mommy. My doggy. My doggy. My doggy. My doggy, my doggy, my doggy. Da-da-da-da, my doggy. My kitty. My kitty with the great eyes. With the great eyes. My berry. My berry. Do-do-do-do. Basil toys. Basil's toys. My other cat. My other cat. Look at me. Look at me. Kitty. Boo, 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 boo. Look at this goody boy. Look at this goody boy. Okay, as you can tell, I'm very weird. I'm sorry for the weirdness in this video. But just so you know, I'm gonna be weird. Thumbs up for weird. No, and I just painted my nails. Do you like the color? Do you like the color? Oh, and I painted my toenails too. Do you want to see them? Can you see them? Can you see them? Ah. My foot is in the camera. I'm sorry. Ugh. Nope, I can't show it. I'm sorry, but they are purple and sparkly. Mommy, what color did I paint your nails? What color did I paint your nails? I painted them white with a little bit of blue and purple. Okay, this has been 4 minutes. I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye-bye.